starting with headers and titles. Try decorating your titles in different ways to make your notes look prettier and more organized. Your headings should always stand out more than the rest of your notes. You can use two different methods. The two-color method, basic and clean. Use two pen colors for your notes, usually black, blue, or any colors you personally like. One color for headings, one color for the main notes. Simple, neat, and aesthetic. The three-color plus highlighter method, more aesthetic. Write your headings using a prettier color like purple, pastel pink, or soft blue. Then use another pen color for the main notes. Usually black works best. You can also use highlighters for the most important information, but try not to highlight everything. Part 2. Sticky notes.
Sticky notes, honestly, changed my notes so much.
Use them for important points, keep in minds, mini explanations, reminders, extra details. Part 3. Use the right pen. Don't force yourself to use random pens just because they look aesthetic online. Find a pen that actually feels comfortable to write with. Pretty notes don't happen perfectly in one day. Just go with the flow and slowly find your own style. The more you practice, the prettier and more natural your notes will start looking. That's it for today. Subscribe the Velvet Glitch for more.